Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the B110 Silent mouse from Logitech. While it's great to look at feature-rich mice suitable for gaming with LEDs and a bunch of buttons, it's most likely that many of us would end up with straightforward mice like this one, and probably this is what you use at your office, so let's take a look at this guy. On the rear of the box there is an interesting scale which shows the comparison between speed of clicking versus the increased sound that it might create. Also has other feature information such as USB, high precision pointer, etc. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. What we're looking at now is a document with safety, compliance, and warranty information in multiple languages. Alright, so next up is the actual mouse. So this is black in color, it has a USB connector. Very simple design, it's quite light. And in terms of the button placement, it's ambidextrous, so whether you use it with your right hand or your left hand, it's going to work just perfect. At the bottom you can see the optical sensor, the 4 rubber feet at the corners, and of course the B110 branding in the middle. Hit pause now for the quick spec sheet, and do get subscribed if you aren't, as we will test this in one of our systems and give you the full scoop on it. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this video with a friend, and see you in the next one.